Hello everyone. How to maintain a spare parts inventory in Google Sheet with bin location. So let's start. Uh, this is my master data for adding a new material in our database. To run inventory system, we will create a database of all the material with their department category. So here is my department category. For example, low current, electrical, mechanical, and many more, agriculture, cleaning. All the material are listed here. To create a database for the material, what we need to create a SKU, that is a stock keeping unit. This stock keeping unit should be unique, and then the categories are divided into several departments. That is, this material belongs to low current. It is the material description, size, part number, brand, rack location, warehouse location. We have this is the rack location. This is called bin location, and warehouse location. We have more than 6 warehouses. We are maintaining 6 warehouses. So from this inventory sheet, you can control all the 6 warehouses. This is unit, and this is the pick. So why I am adding pick here? Later I will make you know the benefit of picture. So this is our database, and this is our receiving. We have issue. This is our physical inventory. This is our master stock. This is our item details. So the picture I input in our master data to get all the material with the picture details, and this is our cost center. So we will start from master data. So here, this is our master data, and I am maintaining 9,000 of materials in my warehouse. So we will start from receiving. The day I receive, delete this one, I need here. So I will select today's date. Today is 2 March. I will manually write the SKU only. When I will write the SKU, the description of material will be automatically pop up. So in this date I receive this SKU, and this SKU I put in bin. I will give this material to a bin. Suppose that I am keeping this material in A1A. This is our bin location. So the received quantity will be 10 pieces. Some material, liquid, cartridge, and many more material have expiry date. To track expiry date, I can also select an expiration date. Suppose that this material expires in June 8. So it will give me the actual result, that is 98 days remaining. So I will apply the FIFO method here, first in first out. Unit price, suppose that this material cost 20 real. PO number you can write your on PO number 4500. I'm writing lump sum. Okay, if cash purchase, you can write here cash purchase. Vendor name, here you can mention vendor name you receive from York or you receive from any supplier. So I receive this material. Now I am going to issue this material. How much quantity we have received? 10. I will import the same. Now here, see here the issue number. While in manually you cannot track your issue number. Okay, you are just typing in this window you will track your issue also by issue number. So this is my issue number 23456, anything lump sum. In this date I issue, which date I issue, suppose that today I issue, I will manually type the SKU of the material. Say now when I input the SKU, the material description is being not being pop up, it's showing not found. Why? Because I did not type the location where I pick the material. So if I type the picked material location, suppose that B1B, it still shows not found. Why? Because let us check where I kept this material. That material is kept in A1A. So if my storekeeper or stocker giving me a wrong location, so I can track him by this picked location. For example, if I write the exact location where I kept the material, it will give me the result. This is the same material I kept in the receiving. So I will issue 5 pieces where this material has been issued. Suppose that in office, in project, any places. For example, I'm for tracking just I'm writing office. Okay, who was the requester? You will just write his employee ID and his name will be pop up. I issued to this man. So in issue section we can track our material by issue number, by picked location, and the location where I issued, who was the requester and the requester name. So suppose that I have this material in my scenario. I have this material. I will show you. My one window is not working. Suppose that if I receive this material, the same material I received again in the same date. Now my A1A is been full, so the same material I am keeping in another location, that is B2B. Okay, and here we have received 50 bag, and this expiry has longer expiry, so we will mention here. I will select the expiry date. See, it's indicate 216 7 days remaining to expire. What will be our first priority? We will issue this material from this location. We can easily track the expiry. The same unit price, PO number, if PO is PO number, if cash purchase you will mention here, and the supplier name, maybe this is different supplier. Arabian Trading. So in issue I have issued only 5 pieces. Now I will check my physical inventory. My physical inventory what shows that I received this material in A1A 10 pieces, issued 5 pieces, stock 5 balance. I received the same material, this total 50 pieces in this bin B2B, and the stock is balance 50. Now what I will do, I will issue the 2020 from B2B again 10 pieces. 1 2 3 4 anything. I will select the date. This is the date in 3 March. I will pick my SKU of the material. I will write B1B. Oh sorry, I put in the B2B. I will issue 10 pieces from there. I will issue to project, and here the requester is different, so I will write 93326. The name will be populate here. This is the another requester. Now again I will check my physical balance. This material is being issued 10 pieces. Okay, stock is 40. We have a lot of transaction. Maybe this material in 1 month it will go 50 times. So now the challenge is how much you have stock. We cannot go and calculate each and every line. So for this solution I create a master stock. Here this master stock will tell me the exact physical balance. So this is the SKU 2020, Department Agriculture, compose organizer, this size, brand, total receiving. First I received 10 pieces, then I received 50 pieces, this total 60. I issue 15, but from two different locations, and my exact stock balance is 45. The unit price is 45, and the inventory cost for this material is 2025. Okay, now somehow we will again order this material, make purchase requisition. We need picture details for this material. Some new employee may be confused, so for this, to clear the confusion, we will just type the material code and we will get the material detail. Oh, this was the material. So now I'm working on this. I will make more advanced. So here I populate details in English and details in Arabic also. So the cost, this windows will show the cost. In agriculture, how many items we have? 303 items, and this 303 items total cost is 4050. This is our master data, receiving, issue, physical balance. This physical balance will help you to track inventory physically or manually, or by your storekeeper. It can easily track. He will filter from this location. If I am going to take, if I have confusion in this location, maybe our inventory is mismatched, he will filter the location, get the exact result. You can track each and every single item by pieces. Okay guys, if you like my video, please support me, like the video. Later the next video I will make how to create SKU for the material, and how to, what formula I use, how I make this inventory system. I will make the in IMS in detail. Okay, thank you.